Hello everyone and welcome to a handheld newsletter. I just want to show you some amazing stuff with you. I've just received a fairly big order from Whiting, restock on Whiting, and in this restock there are some amazing and very exceedingly rare items. The first thing I want to show you is this. We've gotten a few, really few of the Whiting Spey roosters in bronze grade in white. And I mean, I cannot recall when I last time saw some Whiting Spey rooster in white. So these are just amazing as always. But the number I've gotten was only 5, and I expect these will sell out, you know, almost immediately. So if you're in the market for any of these products I'm going to show you in this video, I urge you to go to Nordic Anglers as soon as possible and basically just buy them because they're going to be gone before you know it. So Whiting Spey rooster back in stock, only 5 pieces in white. The same goes for the Whiting Spey capes in tan. Also received only 5 of these, and again, I cannot recall when I last saw some of these. So if you're in the market for something to tie the best looking and the best fishing shrimps out there, then you should go to Nordic Anglers and get some of these because they will be gone very fast. Gotten a few white rooster capes in the 4B, which also is kind of rare. For some reason, white seems to be one of the most difficult colors to get your hands on. I don't know why that is, but that just seems to be the case. Also a restock on the salmon pink Spey capes. No, Spey capes, but hen. So these are less expensive and really well suited for tying smaller shrimp patterns from size 6 and 8 and stuff like that. So if you want the salmon pink for the pedigrees, then the Spey capes in the hen variety is a really good option because it's less expensive and there's just a ton of feathers here, and these work really well, in particular for smaller flies. So as always, these will sell out amazingly quick. So go to Nordic Anglers if you need anything like that. Then I'm going to show you something else that has been sold out for ages, for forever. I've gotten a few restock on quite a few of the different saddles. This one is the olive one, and these are pro grades, and as you can see, the length of these are just amazing. This in particular is used very much for flatwing flies, in particular in this olive one, to imitate sand eels and stuff, and they just sell out as fast as I can get them because sand eels is quite popular, perfect for striped bass, perfect for sea trout, perfect for, you know, anything coastal that feeds on sand eels, which is basically most of the fish we have here in the northern part of Europe. So these sea bass as well is perfect for these, and as you can see, the quality of this is, as always, just amazing from Whiting. And now, these. This is an amazing thing that is exceedingly rare. I've gotten a few of the Whiting Cree capes in the pro grade, and these are just amazing. This is the most sought after cape out there, cape color out there, and I only have a few. So again, if you're in the market for something like this, then you should definitely swing by to get yours. And along with these capes, I also gotten a very limited supply of the Cree saddles from Whiting as well. As you can see, the reason why these are so sought after is because there are so many different colors, and the color variation of these are just amazing. So these are now available as well. And as I said, Cree is something you basically don't see anywhere. So these will these will go quite fast. But we have them, and as soon as you see this video, swing by Nordic Anglers because Cree is just awesome and amazing, and now you have the chance to get your hands on some of these. So basically, you know, the fishing is great here in Denmark. I'm doing great, and it's really nice to be able to offer some of these exceedingly rare things from Whiting now. They're all online. They're ready to go to ship now. So go to Nordic Anglers. See the selection. There's a lot of other stuff as well we've restocked on from Whiting, so perhaps exactly what you needed is now back in stock, but I couldn't fit everyone into this video. So a big restock on Whiting and some really cool stuff there. So basically that's it. I wish you the very best of weekends, and thank you for watching, and good luck out on the water. Take care. Woohoo!